Let me show you a tracing of normal breathing. So this is a inhalation, exhalation, inhalation, exhalation. So you can see this is a very symmetrical breather right here. What you often see is something more along these lines here. You'll see breathing in and then out, in, out. Yeah, so everyone breathes a little bit differently. It just depends. And if you take a look, you can separate it into two halves, the inhalation phase and the exhalation like that. You can see on the right, often this is the case where you have kind of a quicker inhalation and then a longer letting out of the breath. Remember, inhaling is an active process where you're using energy, your diaphragm's contracting, and then exhalation is more of a passive process where the elasticity of the lungs causes it to recoil and the muscles are relaxing. So we can see there, and if you were to look at this, this amplitude here, this wave, that'll be, remember what volume that'll be? Tidal volume, about half a liter in and out, just like that. And if I asked you to calculate breaths per minute, that's a breathing rate. You just need to know that this x-axis is time. So you just count the number of breaths per minute. So if this is 1 minute, you would be breathing 3 breaths a minute, which is crazy, right? Average breathing is, on an adult, more like 12 to 25 breaths per minute. And then when you exercise, that can get up to 40 or 50 breaths per minute if you really are pushing yourself. Now, breath holding. I hope you guys can see if you can beat the record without any kind of oxygen or anything. It's 11 minutes or so, so that's kind of tough, isn't it? But this breath holding, what you'll see is you can try it after an inhalation, a big breath in. So let's say you're breathing and then you decide, then hold your breath. You can see afterwards you'll be breathing very rapidly and then you'll recover because you've been holding your breath for this period of time. And if you do the same thing after an exhalation, if you were to take a person from normal breathing and then and try to hold your breath, I'm guessing it's going to be for less time. So something you can give a try. You can see the difference there. And you can see the response after breathing is that you start hyperventilating. And that's what's called very rapid breathing, is hyperventilating. If you breathe very slowly, it'd be hypoventilating, a very slow breathing rate like that. All right.